Hey guys, Steven here. I'm at 2015 AIMExpo and I'm here with Mike in the Schuberth booth. And you guys have heard me talk about helmets. Crash and I kind of have tried a bunch of different helmets. We've always talked about how excited we were about the Schuberth C3 Pro when I saw it last year and looked at it. And I talked about possibly pulling the trigger on one, and we really haven't. And I'm glad I waited.
Yes.
Because they've got something here that they're releasing at AIM that's really cool. Mike, tell us about it.
Yeah, so this is the all-new E1 Adventure helmet. This is based on the C3 Pro chassis, which is the C3 Pro is the lightest, quietest, and most aerodynamic modular helmet with internal sun visor on the market today. So what we've done is we've taken that popular chassis and developed it in the wind tunnel to also now be an adventure enduro type helmet. So we now have a 3-position sun visor, or a bill on the top. The bill can actually be locked into any position, and this is a modular adventure helmet, so when you open the chin bar, the bill retracts with the chin bar, but it also has memory, so when you close it back down, the bill actually goes back down to the position that you locked it in.
Wow.
We also have a new breath box here in the front. It actually has a removable air filter on the inside, so you can clean it out after a long ride if it gets dirty. And then still does include our integrated drop-down sun visor, which is a cable-driven drop-down sun visor with all premium optics. So the sun visor and the outer shield are all Class 1 optical clarity products.
Is this also, are you also able to use Schuberth's comm system in this?
Yes, so the E1 will actually come pre-wired with our communications antenna booster. It's a dual band FM signal booster and Bluetooth signal booster that integrates into our proprietary Schuberth rider communication system. And our rider communication system actually goes right on the bottom of the helmet. So you remove the neck roll and the communicator's all built into the neck roll, so it doesn't disrupt your aerodynamic performance. It keeps the helmet nice and quiet and also keeps it in warranty as well.
So, and like the C3 Pro, the interior is completely removable, washable.
Yeah,
any differences between the interior on the Pro?
interiors are the same, so it's an antibacterial, antimicrobial, moisture wicking, hypoallergenic, fully removable, machine washable, moisture wicking liner.
Very cool.
Yeah.
How does the visor, I didn't know that you could adjust the visor. That's pretty neat.
Yeah, so I'll show you, these are some of our pre-production models, but essentially there's 2 little tabs on the side that locks and unlocks your visor, and it's a 3-position, so 1, 2, and 3. And when you choose the position, you slide those latches back, and again, now when I open the chin bar, it'll retract, and then it'll go back to the same exact position I've chosen every time.
Very neat. Is that removable?
It is fully removable, and so you can run the helmet with just the peak visor, just the face shield, or with a combination of both. So
let me ask you a question. Is the face shield removable?
the face shield is removable as well.
Run it with goggles?
You can run it with some goggles. Obviously the face port is fairly narrow, so some of the less bulky goggles will fit in here.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
When can we expect this to be available for purchase?
We will have these coming into the country in spring. So
okay.
The initial production will be a little bit sporadic. So spring is going to be a little difficult to get one unless people are pre-ordering them. But then into the fall and then next year we'll have full production capability on these.
Well, that's very impressive. And I really kind of like this particular color here. Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing a lot with the graphics and bringing in some of the high-vis graphics as well on matte shells. So the one I'm holding here was one of my favorites, the Guardian graphic, but it's a matte shell with a matte high-vis, which is something I've not seen before just yet.
Yeah, I like it. Usually the high-vis are all high gloss,
yep.
And this is really neat. All right, tell us where we can find Schuberth online.
So our website is Schuberth.com. We'll actually have a brand new website launching in November, and we have our full dealer locator on there as well, which will direct you to your nearest Schuberth professional dealer.
Cool. Thanks a lot, Mike. I appreciate
you guys.
your time.
Thanks for stopping by.